Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Young Arts and Cooking. Today I'm back with another recipe on how to make mug cakes in 2 minutes. As we all know that mug cakes are super delicious and easy to make. So let's get into the video. Take a mug and add 4 tablespoons of white flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 5 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients using a fork. Add 1 whole egg into it, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all the ingredients using a fork. Use a hand mixer to get rid of the lumps. Now our chocolate cake batter is ready. Next we are going to prepare vanilla mug cake batter.
For that, take another mug and add 4 tablespoons of white flour, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt.
Next I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or melted butter, 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix all the ingredients using a fork.
Use a hand mixer to get rid of the lumps.
Our both mug cake batters are ready to bake.
Put them into the microwave oven and bake it for 2 minutes.
And also, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. So our mug cakes are ready here. You can add some whipping cream and melted chocolate on top of the both mug cakes. You can also decorate them if you want. Do try this recipe at home and share me your feedback. Also, if you like the video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.